What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Nyla back with another Skyway Classics vehicle. Today I have a very beautiful 1961 Volkswagen Beetle. This thing is in mint condition. It's a Wolfsburg Edition with the rag top, which is so cool. You can see it here on the top. It just kind of unhooks underneath and you rouge it back like a curtain, and then it's, you know, you got a little sunroof there. But that is the original rag top. It's only got 47,000 miles on this beauty. It's got all the original German glass, 1200 cc engine, fully restored. All kinds of restorations have been done, and you can see all of those listed in the description below. It'll get into all that. But what a beauty, little punch buggy. These things give me nostalgia. Take a look at the inside, which is equally as cool. Black exterior with the red and white interior. So sharp. So sharp. And it is a manual. So pretty inside. With the light colored roof there. Just awesome. You gotta love it. Alright, we're gonna follow this up with a look at the engine, take it for a drive, and then we'll take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go, taking the Beetle for a spin.
Do I look like a giant in this car? It's actually a pretty awesome driver. I mean, it's straight, hands off the wheel. Not feeling like any shakes or any vibrations in the wheel.
Sure.
Handling really nicely.
This is my first time ever in one.
Fast too. I'm trying to remember if these are 3 speeds or 4 speeds.
I think it's 4 because
About
it
to find out.
felt like 3 up
It's
top. Definitely. It's pretty spacious back here too in the back seat.
And I'm like just shy of 6'3".
Right. Yeah, and
As you
there's
can
definitely
see,
room
plenty of
above your head.
headroom.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make a Yui and
Yep. We'll put it up on the lift and we'll take a look at the underneath. Thanks, Rad.